Today we're going to be doing an engine cleaning. I'm doing it on my car, on the Ford Edge. I don't think well, I'm sure this engine has not been cleaned since I first bought it 5 years ago. So you can see plenty of buildup of dirt, dust. And so we're going to try a couple of things here. First of all, we're going to clean it with an APC. And I'm going to try out Kraken for the first time. I'm going to foam that on there, and then after that, dry it, and I'm going to dress it with Fenrir, both products from Phoenix E.O.D. So let's give it a go. All right. We're going to start off by foaming on some Kraken APC. I have it diluted 5-to-1 in a foam bottle. So let's start with that application. Now that that is done, we're going to agitate it a little bit with a brush. Which will help get the hard to reach areas that I can't get with foam, and do that mechanical agitation too, to ensure we get a more even coverage. I can already see the dirt coming off and browning off the plastic. For the harder to reach areas, I've got a smaller brush. This is doing a really good job at loosening dirt. I'm doing this in 100-degree weather right now. It is 105 and it is 6 p.m. So the Kraken is evaporating. I probably should have used more, but let's rinse it off and see what happens. We're going to accelerate the drying a tad bit by using the Ryobi little handheld thing, or dryer, or blower. Let's see how that's going to. As I'm looking through it, I see a couple of spots that I didn't do a good job brushing. It looks a lot better, but what I'm going to do is I have Kraken and ready to use, and I'm going to hit the spots that I definitely missed. Right, here's a good example. Here's another example. For the puddle wipe, I'm just going to take a damp cloth and just give it a quick wipe. Through those water spots or what have you. As you can see, it seemed like the cleaning with Kraken and the brush did a pretty good job. Just a little bit of dust or dirt on the microfiber. I'm sure I didn't get every little piece, every little ridge or so. This will make sure you get the final go through to give it a more even look. We're at the Fenrir. Let's go for a little close up. As you can see, it's a lot better. Is it perfect? Nope. But remember, it's the engine. So it's not like you're seeing it all the time. But it does help having it much cleaner or makes it look a lot nicer. Now for Fenrir, I have it diluted 5:1 in the spray bottle. I'm just gonna apply it liberally to the whole engine. So I used about 75 milliliters of Fenrir to spray the whole engine, and as you saw, I overdid it. Take another microfiber and then spread that out. And then just to dissipate whatever I couldn't reach, I'm going to use the blower again and kind of shoot it away from these little reservoirs or little cracks where it can reside. Here's the final results. As you can see, it's got a nice, even shine to it. I don't know if Fenrir has anti-static or protection so it doesn't dust up as easily, but it actually made it look really nice again. So lessons learned on this was don't do it in the summer, number one. Number two, use a decent foamer. I used a cheap one from Amazon, and I noticed that I got a lot of sputtering when I was spraying it in hard to reach areas. So if you have one that does a wand, that does really good. If you are doing it in heat, make sure you use, maybe do half and half or parts at a time. And that's about it. Fenrir looks pretty good. Diluted 5:1. I didn't need much for the whole engine. It was only 75 milliliters that I used. So it came out, I think, pretty good. Took away all the dust and not a lot of work to do. So with that, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.